together with the CBSU main campus organizations, media, and sponsors, collabs for community press. More from this report. Ang pagsasanib puwersa ng mga organisasyon, media at sponsor sa CBSU Main para sa pagpapalawig ng community press. Narito ang report. Daniel Albert Amosco reporting for the United Regions. Daniel Albert Amosco, nagbabalita, United Regions.
Ang haba ng pila at wala akong payong, umuulan. Ayaw niyong maniwalang traffic. Ayan. Sobrang traffic. Sobrang traffic. Kabisado, sobrang traffic. Sobrang traffic. Dami pang tao. Oh my God! That was a wrap. That was an experience. So yun guys, pauwi na ako. And umuulan, wala akong payo. And my takeaways from that ay marami pa rin talaga akong natutunan from Alter Media, diba? Tsaka sa GMA Reporter, ating nakasama sa Behind the Reporter's Notebook. So I love lang kasi this is my dream course and I'm living it in a way na ito na yung ini-introduce sa akin. Like, this is you and will be introduced to you and very thankful ako for that. And then, yun nga, uwi na tayo. And I hope you find this video enjoyable and also informative din para sa mga gustong mag-join. And yun lamang, and see you guys in the next video of mine. See you guys, bye-bye!
This is where it all began. This is where we all belong. But community journalism remains unheard. But community journalism remains unheard. Press, narrowing the lenses, magnifying the voice of community press.
Aya! So, yun, meron pa tayong plot twist. Akala ba ninyo, yun lang. So, as a journalism student na incoming, so, this time, oh my God, ito sabi ko, is a major thing because sa bakasyon ko na to, hindi pa nga tapos ang aking bakasyon. Pero, hindi pa awat si ate ko. Pumunta siya ng seminar ng online through this following. Actually, nag-attend ako ng Philippine Journalism Research Conference. Nandun sila Cara David, Javi Severino. And here's my certificate, by the way. And also, ma-attend din ako ng seminar on cyber and then the other seminars, and also we got a chance to ask the number one Jackie Manabat in a seminar. And I was si ate ko ako. Namumula siya, kinikilig siya. At the time, nag-ask ako kay Miss Jackie about journalism seminar and also sa speaker natin. And it really made my heart flattered to that answer. Eh, pakita ko na yung video. Girl, push. And now naman na pinakita naman yun, meron din tayo naka-encounter from Explain PH. And also as an EIC, I felt the pressure in me to be legalized sa youth organization namin. So, if you guys wanted to join our organization, you can reach out to me. You can follow the United Regions for that. And we got some plans, and pressure ako kasi I wanted it to be a future organization that trains not just the mold youth into something contest journalism, but also is a journalist in real world. And I'm too kasi I'm a journalism student now, and it's a lot of to me, to a pressure. But here we are gathering here today with some of the ganaps in my life, and I can sense, and I just graduated and magpa-first year pa lang ako, and I know the organizations now on college, and this made me feel pressured. But as a journalist, ito ang masasabi ko siguro. As a journalist, I see the truth, and I always stand for the truth. And yun lamang, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hello, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yan. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope na kahit random lang to, parang diary ko lang to for me as a journalist, ay may matutunan kayo from the takes. And sana, and sa future self ko, this is my message to you. If you ever feel unencouraged, discouraged, if you ever feel discouraged, that there is this one proud Daniel of the past to you that says like, now, wow, you're now a journalist, and right now is like you're developing stage onto something great, and marirealize mo na someday you'll be there someday, that wala kang pagsisisihan. And kung nakikita mo man to ng advance pa agad, so huwag ka ma-discourage dyan, kasi darating yung panahon na you will be a well-renowned journalist. Hala, biglang ganun. So yun. Love you guys, and hopefully see you soon. Catch you here. Bye bye.